All right, we're getting ready to set up our experiment. Here on the right, I have my PLA, mark that. And on the left, we have our PETG. All right, with that, we're gonna see if we make some drips fall off of this. For our setup today, I've got two temperature things. I just pulled one out of a desiccant box, so it's going up in percent to match this, so that should even out here in a second. We've got just a timer set for an hour, so just one of these. So we'll give the experiment an hour, and we're gonna see how these melt or don't melt in the car. Before we get these in the car, I want to give a quick squish test just to see what does it look like before. So here is the springiness of this cube. So that's the PLA one, and here's the PETG one. They definitely do bend. I chose a model that would do that on purpose, but they come right back into shape. So we will go give these a try. All right, we just started off our hour in the car, so let's see how it goes for the PETG and PLA. In 5 minutes, and the PLA is already melting, and the PETG looks fine. Just had to pull up my temperature sensor from in the car. It got too hot. It was all black. It's slowly coming back to life. We'll see if I destroyed that permanently. Stepped into the vehicle real quick to see how it's going. I put this temperature sensor out of the sun, but oh man, it might be done for. We'll have to see. I might just take it inside for the rest of the test and see if it even revives. So we're maybe 10 minutes in, and man, you can just see the PLA is melting. And the PETG is, you can see it sagging a little, but it's not as bad. Also, I'll just say this, it's not cold in here. Good news, as soon as I came out of the car, looks like our temperature sensor started working again. So it is just too hot in there for this to work. And you see it's come down to 129. It's probably 70 where I'm at right now in Fahrenheit. So obviously a little hot for the sensor to work in the car. We just hit 1 hour, and you can see that the PETG definitely had some melting, but the PLA certainly did. So I'm gonna go in the car and see how it went. We get 84 about on the outside and 110 inside the car. That's in the shade on both. Again, with the sensors not dealing with the sun, it was getting way too hot for them. So we'll go in the car and touch these and see how it is. Here's the setup from inside. Let's start with the PETG. Let's give it a little push. It's still retaining some rigidity, but of course it certainly melted some in the sun. Let's take a look at the PLA. So here's the PLA. Oh wow, I can feel, it just feels like, it's so much give in that. So obviously, oh yeah, and you can see I almost pushed it over there. There is so much play, so much give in the PLA, so much play. There you go. That's a perfect joke. And that's what's printing. It's a little hot in the car, so I think I'm gonna go inside. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and we'll look for you in the next one.